In a distant kingdom, there lived Princess Lily. She had flowing golden hair and a heart of pure gold. Princess Lily had a sneezing problem over 100 times a day, leaving her exhausted. One day, Lily's evil stepmother, Regina, came up with a plan to get rid of her once and for all. She took Lily to an enchanted forest and locked her in a tower. "You won't sneeze anymore," Regina grinned. Lily was locked in the tower. Then Talking Tree. "Why have you come here, princess?" he asked. Lily explained her situation, and the tree offered her a magical cure. He gave her a sunny flower and sparkling water. Lily sipped water, smelled flowers, and felt great. She lived happily in the enchanted forest, free from sneezing and full of adventure.